We all rejoice for the new development in the new year of beating COVID-19. So are we, but for the right reason at GHRC. After all, physical reassurance builds confidence and credibility. What it requires ever is the courage to choose and pick from the one. Welcome to GHRC News Desk. Headlines coming your way. Online freshers program conducted at GHRC for engineering aspirant. Peer teaching getting underway. Student project shortlisted by Ministry of MSME. Savitribai Phule Jayanti Balika Din celebrated by NSS cell of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur on 3rd January 2021, and admissions are geared up at GHRC. Now the news in detail. Online freshers program conducted at GHRC for engineering aspirants. Dr. Sachin Untavle, Director GHRC, in his address informed the gathering about the recent noteworthy accomplishments of the college. GHRC recently received second ranking in Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievement, which stands as ARIIA 2020 by Government of India amongst the private institutions in India. GHRC was nominated amongst top 5-star performer institute by Institution Innovation Council, a Ministry of Education initiative. GHRC is the only college from Nagpur to receive this honor. Ankush Shikshan Sanstha has received Adarsh Sanstha Puraskar by Rashtra Sant Tukdoji Maharaj in Nagpur University this year. He further informed about launching of satellite by GHRC in collaboration with Indo-Serbia Nano Satellites. Students and faculty members are actively participating for the development of nano satellite. Dr. Bhavna Bhute, Dean first year, in her presentation informed the students and parents about the best practices adopted for journey of joyful learning at GHRCE. She informed students about the schedule of upcoming online workshops from 23rd October to 7th November 2020. Various workshops such as emotional quotient, mindfulness, SWOC, goal setting, change management, interpersonal skills, neuro-linguistic programs, stress management, art of appreciation, constructive criticism, renewable energy source, nano satellite workshop, and virtual visits to labs will be conducted online for freshers. She presented the compendium of activities conducted last year. Dean Academics Dr. M.M. Khanapurkar in his presentation elaborated features of academic system like CBSC, CTS, 6 months mandatory internship, skilled workshops, general proficiency courses, awards and prizes. He informed the students about the academic reforms and significant features of new scheme and curriculum. Professor Rupali Thete, Associate Dean, first year, proposed a vote of thanks. The faculties of first year engineering department worked hard for the success of this particular program. Moving on to the news number 2 for the day. Peer teaching interviews. Peer teaching is one of the initiatives taken by GHRCE, where higher SEMS or semester students whose CGPA is above 8.25 and who are interested in teaching and has well-grounded concepts and foundations shall be eligible to teach lower semester students. The selection of students are already being done by an interview panel. The panel is headed by Professor M.M. Khanapurkar, Deputy Director and Dean Academics, and respective heads of the department. For session summer 2021, the peer teaching interviews were held on 2nd January 2021, online mode through Google Meet. Total 17 students applied for interviews, out of which there were 4 students from CSE, 3 students from IT, students each one contributing their own self, volunteering from civil engineering, ETRX and ETC department, and 1 from peer teaching department, which is the list of the shortlisted students shall be conveyed very soon. After completion peer teaching, the selected students shall be awarded with a certificate of appreciation an honorarium. Student project shortlisted by Ministry of MSME. Innovative idea proposed by Shubham Satpute, alumni of GHRCE and founder of Ocean Group. One solution for all printing service is shortlisted for final presentation by Ministry of MSME. Government of India. The idea is giving unique solution for printing purpose. Until now, we have to go for printing purpose to the shop. Proposed idea shall have a website through which customer can place their order and their printing work will be done. The simple process of printing shall be customer just have to visit a website, find out the service as per their requirement, mail their printing material on our email ID. We will send them a quotation with a sample photo. They send us screenshot of payment. We will courier them their material. Now, founder of the proposed idea, Shubham Satpute, is basically hailing from mechanical department. Moving on to the next news, Savitri Bai Phule Jayanti Balika Din celebrated by NSS cell of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur on 3rd January 2021. Jnana Jyoti Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule Jayanti is to be celebrated on 3rd January every year. This day is also known as Balika Din, as Savitribai Phule started the first school for girls in India and had a lot of contribution in social activities. She was a poetess, teacher, headmistress, and Indian social reformer. She has made a lot of reforms to women's empowerment. By taking advantage of the 190th birth anniversary of Savitribai Phule, National Service Scheme Unit of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, celebrated this day on 3rd January 2021, which was Sunday. Through online mode, the anchoring was done by Miss Anisha Khairkar. The program started with RTMNU Vidyapeeth Geet, University Song. Then Professor Mangesh Bhorkar, NSS Program Officer GHRCE, gave the preamble and the outline of the program. Mr. Sajid Hussain delivered the speed and covered details like birth, social work of Savitribai Phule. In a speech of Miss Aditi Shivale, she talked about the work carried out by Savitribai Phule in the field of women's empowerment. Then Miss Pooja Madankar and Miss Preeti Bhakre delivered the speech and covered various aspects of the life of Savitribai Phule. In their speech, they also talked about why do girls go to school? Why should women get equal importance in life? Mr. Atharva Bhalirao delivered the poem of Savitribai Phule in the program. In the program, BTech Lab in charge GHRC Dr. Vibha Bora expressed her view on this event. She focused on gender equality, women empowerment, education of women is a need of today, birth rates variation in states of India because of lack of education in women's, etc., etc. Then Dr. Santosh Jaju greeted and appreciated Professor Mangesh Bhorkar and NSS Cell for their tireless effort for activities. He talked about the social reforms like sati, girl child adoption, widow, kesh kartan, child marriage, etc. These were all done by Savitribai Phule, just to be reminded by all. He also stated about the installation of Mahila Seva Mandal, which was working for women empowerment in the era of 1850. On behalf of this day, NSS Cell has conducted a quiz competition as well on theme women empowerment. Professor Mangesh Bhorkar greeted and congratulated the winner of Miss Shrishti Rajanhire, 4th semester CSE branch, and runners-up Mr. Sajid Hussain, 4th semester IT of a quiz. Winner and runner will be awarded certificates and book of Savitribai Phule. The program ended with a vote of thanks from Mr. Ritika Kolgade, followed by national anthem. The program was well organized by Professor Mangesh Borkar under the able guidance of our own director, Dr. Sachin Unthavle. Moving on to our last news. Now the admissions are underway and the college code for the same is DTE 4116. Admission counselling has started at GH Rai Soni College of Engineering, Nagpur. The admission counselling center is open on all days, including holidays and Sundays. Centralized admission process CAP by DET has already been started and registration has been completed at DTE. The candidates need to fill option from between 7th to 9th of January, which already has happened so far. And the process for CAP 1 is, if allotted first preference, option become auto freeze, not eligible to participate in further rounds. You have to report to ARC for verification and seat acceptance fees. Candidate shall report to institute. If not reported, confirm on ARC, then his claim will be forfeited. This would certainly cannot, these students will definitely not be able to participate in their further rounds. If allotted other than the first preference, then we need to first of all freeze the seat, report it to ARC and report it to the institute. This chart will be displayed here beneath. For process in CAP 2 round, what we need to do is, we have accepted seat in CAP round. We have not accepted seat in CAP round to whom seat were not allotted, who did not participate previously. So you need to consider all these aspects. This is the final round. Students need to report to institute on scheduled dates. The dates will also be flashed beneath. Please take a note of this. And this is where we have come to the end of our GHRCA interesting edition of News Desk. Keep creating your own mark. Have the right identity and at the same time keep pushing yourself, because if the admissions are on, then the new beginning has already started. This is Manish Nair signing off. Until we meet next, take care of yourself.